These days, in the modern days, there is no girl or there is no boy. Whatever the girls are doing, the boys are also doing. So see, even when you take as a normal life, not only in sport, even in normal life, a girl is also cooking, a boy is also cooking. When you take off the household works, both of them are, sharing and doing the work. And those days are gone. This work is for girls and this work is for boys. So there is no segregation as a girl or a boy. We treat them as a human. So I think the football is the best sport for the girls especially, because their full body is involved and they get fitter, and each and every part, the way they move their leg and the way they stretch their arms and everything is very useful even after their getting maturity, and even in the old age also it is very useful, because that gives them a lot of motivation as well as a fitness to them.